Okay. So I could fit one more, um, one more 12-gallon tote right there, and the garage door kind of opens all the way up to here. So maybe I could extend that a little bit more. I left this open area so that I could pull a tote out from this way as well. So far right now we could fit 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 totes, 13, 12 totes, 9, 12, yeah, 12 totes. And then over here we could fit another one there. So 3, 6, 7, 8. These are the 16-gallon totes. So 3, 6, 7, 8. And then we have the attic space right there. So I'm thinking I'll put a smaller one right here. Probably should be able to fit 2 of those small ones right here, and then pull them out like that, or maybe even 3 possibly. But yeah, and then one more right there on that side. So I think I would build another bar like that way, and then I could do another one right here. I want it basically up until where the garage door opens. That should be enough totes. Then over here, I mean, I could do plastic totes all the way through, but I just don't know if that would just be too much clutter at that point. If you gotta have a whole ceiling full of totes in your life, I mean, that's definitely a lot of totes, a lot of storage. But you know, it keeps everything a little bit more organized. But then you know, you have a lot of stuff. Okay, so anyways, now we're here. We have 8 feet right here, and if I get the tape measure out, let's see, I know this is 8 feet right here from basically this furnace all the way to that pole is 8 feet. And what I could also do is perhaps I could even extend. Thing is, I really like how much space there is right here, but I like being able to walk through, you know, all around the car. So maybe my table should not be too deep. What do you guys think? All right, and then so I could even extend the table. Maybe not all the way over here because of all these pipes and stuff. But basically we'd have an 8-foot bench right here, and then build another shelf right up here, and right up there I can hang some lights under here. The only problem I have right now is I don't have enough wiring for lights to come out from here. So what should I do here in this case? Should I just run a light up to here and like an extender and connect the TV to this too? I don't know if I'll handle all the circuits to that. But yeah, we'll have a light right here and a whole shelf right here. And then this way, you know, I mean, we still have this TV here. I could build like a small cabinet right here on the side. And then I could build another cabinet right here, and I think that should be good for storage space. Then underneath the bench we could put a toolbox, chest, whatever, a tool chest, and I think that should be able to hold all the tools that I'll ever need in here. On this side as well, get rid of this file cabinet, shoe rack, empty space right here because it's really cramped when people come in and out the door. You don't want to just have it like a narrow space right here. You want to have this open space, and so I think it will be just like a higher shelf right up here, just to keep things very clean. And maybe like a skinny medicine cabinet right here. All right, and then all over here, I'm thinking maybe should do a French cleats. Same thing with the back of this wall right here. It could be a French cleat right here or a pegboard. French cleats all around there too. What do you guys think? Should I do like that? And then when I clear out a lot more of this junk up here, I think I might try to have like a covering here, so I can cover stuff so it doesn't get dusty up there. Alright, well that's the status update for the garage. Maybe build a ladder rack. Yeah, my bike right now is hanging up here by this hook, which is a makeshift from a curtain hanger. And I need to learn how to restore this Wilton vise for the bench. And yeah, just have a lot more space now for this motorcycle, the car. Yeah, if you guys have any ideas, suggestions, let me know. But yeah, peace out. Oh yeah, and then we're gonna hang the octagon lights under here, all throughout here. 1 and then 2, and I'm guessing I could hang it from all of these pieces of wood frames as well. It's gonna be very beautiful all throughout here. It's gonna be much more brighter. What else? Okay.